Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to delete a database in Notion. So let's get started. Deleting inline databases. Here, we have a database or table. To delete it, go to the three dots in the corner and click delete. However, there's a catch. Unfortunately, Notion currently lacks a feature to delete a database when it's a full page view. The only way to delete it is by deleting the entire page. It's a limitation in Notion's development, and hopefully, they adjust this in the future. Workaround for inline pages. If your database is an inline page, you can type -database, create an inline page, and then delete it. However, for databases in a full page view, deleting the entire page is the only option. I hope this guide clarifies the process of deleting databases in Notion. Even with this limitation, understanding the workaround can still be helpful. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.